Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl KnoKno Fury, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a 2.5 month update on my permanent lock extensions. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup, skincare, and military spouse related. This is also a no judgment zone, so feel free to click that subscribe button down below as well as the bell to let you know whenever I upload a new video. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back, bitch. Let's get into the video. Okay, so for the people that are new to my channel, I have lock extensions. Yeah, so I have lock extensions that I attached myself. I ordered the hair from this company called Locsanity. I will link them down below. I got bulk human hair from them and I created the locks on my own. I had 8-inch hair, and if you want to know just more, I'll link in the cards above. Basically when I installed the locks, my first initial video on my lock extensions. So for the people that have been vibing with me, let me give y'all an update. Okay, sorry y'all, I felt like the light was like really washing me out, but at the same time now I feel like now it's too dark. So all right, bet this is better. So let me get into my retwist. I haven't retwisted my hair since the last video that I filmed. I'll probably film my next retwist video. I'm not going to retwist my hair again until I go back to Virginia, which will be in August. As you guys can see, I have a ton of new growth, like a ton. I probably have like 1.5 inches worth of new growth in my hair all over. My hair has been growing like wild cakes. What I've been using on my hair, I've been using I haven't really been using anything. I've just been using sulfur 8 to manage my dry scalp. A lot of people look down on sulfur 8 just because it is a petroleum based hair grease, but I feel like it's been doing really good for me, and it's making my scalp like bearable with these, because the main reason why I took my locks out last time is because my scalp was just so itchy. Literally sulfur 8 has just been a lifesaver. Update on the Locsanity hair extensions. I know that's why a lot of y'all have come here. My locks are literally hanging in there, so I'm gonna get closer for y'all. They literally look like real locks, like it's crazy. I'm gonna turn around for y'all. Like they look like real locks, and they literally blend in amazingly with my real hair. That was my main issue. I was really scared that they wouldn't blend in with my hair, you know, but they blend in like really well. So I'm really happy, very happy with my decision with using bulk hair. The hair is amazing quality. I still have a lot left over. Like I told you guys, I didn't end up using all the hair that I bought. Unfortunately, like 2 locks did slip out and I just reattached them. It happened shortly after like my wash day video, which is fine, you know, some have slipped out. I do want to update you guys and let y'all know that my hair is locking, and I'm so excited. So personally, I think my hair has finally entered the budding stage. If you're not familiar with the budding stage is basically when your hair locks. It's starting to lock and it kind of like swells in certain areas. Like I'm gonna try to find one for you guys, like this one. I don't know if y'all can kind of see it. So this right here is the lock right here, but this is my hair right here, and you see how it's kind of like a weird shape. It's kind of swelling. I'm trying to find a really good one, but they are starting to lock and I'm super duper excited. This is a really good one. This is my real hair right here, and this is the lock. So my hair is locking. Some of them, like if I pull on them, it literally won't come out. Like it's literally attached to my hair. As my hair does grow out though, I do plan to cut. I want my real locks, like my real hair, to be this actual length. I don't plan to grow my lock extensions super long like a lot of other people. The lock extensions were literally just placed to give me a jump head start with my length, just because I'm not comfortable with wearing my hair super short anymore, just because my face is so round. It's just my personal preference, and that's just how I feel. Do I still plan on palm rolling my hair versus interlocking? Attempt to interlock some of my locks, and I personally didn't like it. I don't know if it's because of the technique that I use personally. I just didn't like it. I like the palm roll look so much better to me, even though it doesn't last as long. So I feel like I probably have to palm roll more than I should have to. But yeah, I plan to palm roll my locks just because interlocking, I just feel it's too much tension to me. It's just too much tension on my head. That's just for me. I don't know about anybody else. But I am super happy with my hair and how far it has come. My parts are literally non-existent right now. When I retwist my hair, I'm going to have to like redefine my parts. Parts are literally non-existent. If you guys haven't seen my lock wash day, I did upload this before this video and I'll put it in the cards. Yeah, but that's pretty much it so far, you guys. This is my length right now. If you go back and look at my old videos, my hair was like up to here, but now it's like pretty much kind of on my shoulders. This is the front. I think I'm getting some pretty good length, you know. My real hair, one did slip out and I didn't put it back in just for the purpose of this video. I'm trying to find it right here. So this is one of my baby locks. So it isn't locked completely, but it's like almost there. So this is pretty much how long my locks are all over. Yeah, I do plan to reattach my lock extension though, but I just wanted to show you guys how long my hair was, my real hair. So I'll probably give it about like another year before I start actually cutting my hair for my real hair to grow. But I'm just so excited and happy with my journey, you guys. Literally, when I tell y'all that I just feel so free. No more wigs. No more wigs. No more braids. No more worrying about having to do my hair. I just feel so free. Like, I wish I would have done this a really long time ago. I love it, you guys. I really just love the freedom of being able to do whatever I want to do with my hair. And I'm so proud of myself for being consistent. Because usually I don't ever stick to things like this. But I just really stuck to this and I am locked. I really hope you guys are satisfied with this 2-month update. I plan to give you guys a 3-month update next month when I come back home from Virginia. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe we're almost at 1,100 subscribers. We literally just hit 1,000 like what, 2.5 weeks ago, and now we're like moving on up. My goal is to reach 2,000 by the time my husband gets home, so I know I can do it. I love you guys so much and I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.